I got 105,000 because of the sign up. If we think about if I wanted to then take that card and earn another 100,000 points just to demonstrate the power of the sign up bonus, right? The best category in that card is what? 3x dining or 3x foreign transactions. To get that same 100,000 points, I need to spend what? $33,000 to get there. $33,000 is a lot of dining out. Even if you're whaling out in Vegas, right? Even if you're eating the filet and lobster tail in Vegas, it's going to take a lot of fancy dinners to get there. And candidly, neither Justin nor I would recommend you do that. That's the power of the sign-up bonus, right? We can accrue a lot of points for a minimal amount of spend. And then for those, we can only get so many sign-up bonuses in a year. How do we continue to accrue points? And like you said, it's where are the opportunities? Where are the creative spending opportunities? And then which cards match those creative spends for those bonuses? For example, Costco codes as 3% or codes as grocery stores on the Venmo cards. Not only are there creative ways to spend, there are creative ways to pay those cards. You can add another 1 or 2% to that. So now I've turned a credit card into a 5% cash back card at Costco. And if I can buy and sell gold at close to net, I have a 5% opportunity there every month, $20,000 that Synchrony Bank will loan me for 30 days or so, right? That I can buy and sell gold at 5% with a 5% window. And if I can buy and sell at less than 5%, then I have the potential to make profit. How can we utilize some of these cards to scale up some of our spend in creative ways?
Yes, that's when the bonus categories really matter more, because if you're only spending maybe $2,000, $3,000 a month, then that extra percent or two really isn't going to make that much of a difference. But if you're able to do thousands, tens of thousands or more per month, then that extra few percentage from the bonus categories will be more impactful. And I've talked about it in previous episodes and YouTube videos about using credit to buy gaming gift cards and using these for blackjack. So if my cost for the online blackjack is around 0.5%, which is the house edge, I play according to basic strategy. I make these bets, play through the money one time, and I'm losing about 0.5% on that playthrough over time. But what if I'm getting 5x at that office supply store? What if I'm getting 4 or 5% back at grocery stores? This is going to be much more meaningful rather than a low amount of spend, because the volume is much larger. And
yeah, that's exactly right. It really is. Where are the best opportunities to get you where you want to go? And then what are the best tools to apply to those opportunities? It's not different than any other business or any other strategy that you may employ in your personal life.
yes, and business owners with larger expenses can definitely sign up for business credit cards that also have bonus categories. So they're getting the sign up bonus, they're getting the bonus categories in many cases. So for a business owner to just be using a 2% everywhere card when they're running through tens of thousands to spend per month, they could be better optimizing. And with those large numbers, it's more worth it.
Exactly. Like you said, if people are spending even $5,000 a month, right? 2% card, we're really only talking $100 that we're going to gain on that. And not that $100 is nothing, but in the grand scheme of things, wouldn't you rather have that $5,000 applied to a sign-up bonus and get 100,000 points, which are worth at least $1,000, and I hope are going to be worth a one-way ticket from Bangkok to New York in business class later this year, or next year, I should say.